Hello, Namaste. Welcome back to my channel Ayur Yoga Mudra Therapy. Today I am going to tell you about one important mudra. This mudra is used to increase the wealth. This mudra is called wealth mudra because this mudra will increase the wealth. The name of this mudra is Kubera Mudra. As you all know, according to Indian mythology or Hinduism, Kubera is known as the god of wealth. So Kubera is the king of Akshas and he is the god of wealth. One who pray Kubera, he will become very rich, and he is the according to mythology, he is the owner of all the wealth in the world. So this mudra is also called Kubera Mudra. So this mudra is named as Kubera Mudra. So one of the thing I need to tell you, this mudra will not directly make you rich. The advantage of this mudra is it will manifest your desires and it will give the positive energy, and it will help to achieve your goal. And this is a tested and proven mudra. So where if you try this mudra 15-20 days, you can see the positive result happening in your surroundings with you, because it will help to achieve your goal. Like if you need to get a job, if you need to get success in your love, if you need to construct a house, if you need to get more wealth, more amount, if you need to increase the if you want to get a promotion, or if you need to go to abroad, everything is possible by this mudra. This mudra will remove all the negative energy from you, all the blockages in you. If you have any blockages in negativity or anything, this mudra will remove everything, and this will increase the affirmation in your body, and it helps to achieve your goal. And whatever the goals you need to achieve in your life, this can be easily achieved by this mudra. So the name of the mudra I already tell, Kubera Mudra, because it will increase the wealth, it will increase the positiveness, it will increase the luck to you, it makes you more lucky and more charm, and your personality will be totally changed by this mudra. If you have any doubt or you need to check this mudra, if you are not fully didn't believe this mudra, just try on 10 days this mudra for 10 to 15 minutes in a day, then definitely 100% you can get the result from this mudra. So I can guarantee you the result. This is the main thing of this mudra, you can get what you desire. So before that, I am going to tell you what are the things before doing the mudra. I already tell in many my videos. First of all, you need to sit on, for this mudra you need to sit on Padmasana. Then your spine must be straight. Then you need to do on both the hands this mudra. Not only on one hand, you need to do in both the hands, and the face of the palm must be face upwards. Don't do in downward. The face of the thumb must be upward, and don't wear any ornaments in your body while doing this mudra. Don't wear any ornaments in your body. The rings or chain or watch or any thread or anything, at the time of practicing mudra, please remove it, and after that you can wear it. And practice this mudra on empty stomach, or if you have some food, eat food, then do after 1 hour. And don't do immediately after bathing this mudra. These are the precautions I need to tell you before doing the mudra. Now I will do the demo of the mudra therapy. First of all, once for namaste to you. Now sit on this Padmasana, and spinal cord must be straight. These are the two main important things. You must be careful, and better you need to do this mudra on morning time, and the mind must be cool. So at the time when you are doing this mudra, don't wear any ornaments, as I tell. Don't wear any ornament, watches or rings or nothing. Please don't wear. This is another thing, important thing to you. Then while doing this mudra, please in your mind think about your goals. What are the goals you need to achieve? What you want to become? What is your goal? At the time of doing this mudra, please think about your goal and take the breath normally. So in this mudra, we are using all the fingers. In some mudras, we are not using all the fingers, but in this mudra, we are using all the fingers. The 5 fingers we are using. First, this process also we need to only touch the surface of the fingers to another finger. Don't do to give any pressure. Only need to touch the slight pressure. So first, on the tip of the thumb must be placed on the tip of index finger and middle finger. So these 3 fingers must be touched. The tip of the index finger and middle finger must be touched with the tip of the thumb, and both the index finger and middle finger must be bended. Bend like this and touch on the thumb finger, and the remaining little finger and ring finger must be bended and bent and touch on the palm. So the mudra will be like this. The tip of the little finger and ring finger must be touched on the palm itself, and the remaining index finger and middle finger must be touched on the thumb. So all the 5 fingers are involved on this mudra. So another thing is spine must be straight, and you must be in Padmasana, and the face of the thumb must be in upwards. Don't do this mudra by the face of the palm in downwards. The face of the palm must be upwards, and do this mudra in both hands at the same time. Don't do in one hand. Do this mudra in both the hands same time, and while doing the mudra, take the breath normally, and in your mind think about the goal you need to achieve. What or your ambitions, everything must be in your mind. So please take the deep breath, then breathe slowly, then do the mudra and think about your goal, what you need to achieve, house or job or love, or need to get a desired marriage, or whatever the problem and what you want to achieve. Think about that. So if you have any doubt on this mudra or how to do, then please put on the comment box, and please, if you have any need any mudra for any other problem, that queries also can be posted on this my YouTube channel uh, comment section. And thanks for watching my video. I definitely come with another video regarding the other issues. Thanks for watching my channel. If you like my video, please like my channel, please subscribe my channel, please like my video, and definitely post your comments and your positive feedback, what you got on the mudra therapy. Please update that one also. Thank you.